Artoonza.
Hold on to your bananas, future artists, because today we're doing something totally bananas. Yep, this innocent little fruit is about to get the glittery glow-up of a lifetime with markers, glitter, and nail polish. Please don't tell my mom. Plus, we've got a little sneaky vacuum to clean up our mess because, well, I might have overdone the sparkle. Are you ready for some fruity fun? Let's make this banana shine like never before. Give us your like. No. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait.
Wow!
Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Yellow. Let's color together. Snowy white. Green nail polish. Shh. Never tell my mom. Yellow nail polish. Shh. Never tell my mom. Give us a big thumbs up. Color. This banana is getting more attention than I do. Should I be jealous? Mix it up. Color. This is so amazing. Yummy. Who knew a banana could have a beauty routine? Glitter, nail polish. Next up, a spa day. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.